Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Oston called Cypher, back again with another new video on web development. So what you are going to be looking at today is how to create a fixed background image. Even if a user scrolls, it will stay in one position apart from changing its colors or graphics. So this is what we are going to be using. There is no jQuery, only HTML and the pure CSS we always use on our web pages. So that's what we are going to be creating today, this fixed background. So the logic behind this web page, the user may see it as one image, but these are different images and every image has its own color. So right here I'm having my folder, and these are the different images you're seeing here: pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, pick 4 and pick 5. So when a user is scrolling, he will just only be seeing these fixed attachments. So the background attachments are fixed in one position. So for the user will be seeing one image on a web page. So it's what I'm going to be showing you today. Behind the scenes, I went and removed the code, so I'll refresh the page and will be with nothing. So I will create sections here. Sections. I will copy this section 5 times because we are having 5 images. 4, 5. And I will go ahead give class to each section. So I will call this one image 1. I will copy this, paste it here. So I'll call this image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5. Remember, in our folder we have in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are the images, and I've also created 5 sections. So in our style sheet, I'm using an internal style sheet. So I write body. So by default the body will be having some margin and padding, but I will remove them. 0 pixels and padding 0 pixels. We don't want white spaces on the sides of our images. So since they are this HTML5 tag section, so I'll select the section and set its height to 100. Viewport height, I'll set it to 100. So let me first give it a background color. Black, and that's what we are having. Is having that. That means the section is available. Let's remove it. So now it's time to select these images, this section. So I'll say dot image 1. So that's the class we gave it, dot image 1. Then the background, I'll set the URL, the uniform resource locator, that will be tracking the path where the image is found. And we saw the first image is called pick 1, so up to pick 5. So I'll say pick1.jpg, and this is the file extension, which is the joint photograph expert group. If you put the E there, the E there, it will be the joint photograph expert group. So end it with a semicolon. and this is what we are having. So you may notice that it's ending here because that's the 100 viewport height. We gave it 100. Then I'll create another image here. This one will be image 2 according to the class we set here, image 2, and also the peak will be 2. Image 3, and also the peak will be 3. Image 4, and also the peak will be 4. Image 5, and also the peak will be 5. So refresh. This is what we are having, but if you notice, it's just now scrolling throughout the images, but we want it to be fixed in one position. So we shall make this background attachments fixed. Background attachment, we shall make it fixed. So I'll be copying this background attachment to every image. Every image will get a piece of it. Save, refresh, and this is what we are having. You may think you are seeing only one image, but in the logical way or common sense, they are only the images moving, just that we have made them fixed. Their background attachment has been made fixed. So a user may think it's only one image on a web page, but those are 5 images we have used. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If I was too fast, go ahead, pause the video, see the code, and apply it on your web pages you'll be creating in the future. Oston Code Cypher, I'm out.